In this video, I go over ceramic coating this BMW i4 M50. As you can see, overall it's in great condition. It only has a few hundred miles onto it. Still basically brand new. But you can see it was driven in the rain, some water spots on the wheels and the lower areas of the car. So I'll get this BMW fully prepped and then ceramic coated with the 5-year coating of Gtechniq Crystal Serum Light and Gtechniq XOV5. You can see the areas where some of the dirt has accumulated. But again, this BMW is in great condition. I first start cleaning inside the fenders by giving a good rinse with a pressure washer, then applying all-purpose cleaner and a brush. Thoroughly clean the fenders and rinse again. Then I move on to the tires and wheels and apply a brake cleaner to help break down a lot of this brake dust and grime, using a wheel mitt and different brushes to clean inside the barrel and the spokes and those lugs as well. And then I use a tire brush. Rinse. After the wheels are cleaned, I move on to the body. As you see here, I use a foam cannon to apply a shampoo, and this acts like a lubricant to break down the dirt. And with my washing pad, I can safely remove all the dirt and grime from the paint and make sure it's fully cleansed before I apply that ceramic coating. Same steps go for the rest of the car, working top to bottom here. After I'm done with the contact wash, I begin rinsing off the body and making sure all the soap is off the car. Next, I thoroughly dry the car with a large microfiber towel to soak up a lot of that water first. Then I use an air blower to blow off any remaining water that likes to collect in door handles and mirrors and any other seams of the car. With the car fully dried, I use panel wipe from Gtechniq. This will make sure the body's fully cleansed and there's nothing sitting on the paint. Then, the first layer of ceramic coating I start applying with Crystal Serum Light from Gtechniq, and applying about in 2x2 sections here, and making sure I'm fully covering the area I'm coating, and using 3 towels to make sure the coating is fully leveled and I'm not leaving any high spots behind, to make sure it's properly installed. And to be sure, I use a paint correction light to make sure there's no coating left behind. And the same goes here for the rest of the car, working section by section. And again, making sure the door is fully covered here in this section. I continue the same process for the rest of this BMW, and reapplying coating to my applicator as I go, per panel. Now you see I have XOV5. This is the second ceramic coating. This goes on top of Crystal Serum Light, and it's the same exact process as applying Crystal Serum Light, applying in sections and using 3 towels. And this second coating with Crystal Serum Light adds about 5 years of durability to your car's paint and exterior, because I also coat the headlights and taillights with this same ceramic coating combination. This combination of Crystal Serum Light and XOV5 makes the paint feel super slick. So when you're washing your car yourself, you're going to notice contaminants just rinse right off, or with your wash media, it'll be a lot easier to take off any grime or dirt that does collect onto the paint. And it makes it very hydrophobic, so you can rinse off a lot of those contaminants, and it creates that hydrophobic effect with that water beading and sheeting action. And I also coat the door jambs and trunk jambs because those get really dirty over time. And when I'm done coating the car, I clean the interior very quickly here, apply a sealant to the wheels, and apply a tire dressing. This BMW i4 M50 is all done, and now it is protected with that 5-year coating of Gtechniq Crystal Serum Light and XOV5. You can see how clean this paint looks. Really glossy, and it's very slick to the touch. Again, this BMW came in basically brand new. It's the best time to protect your car before any contaminants do get onto the paint or any other surface of your car. So protect it while it's new and it's in its best condition, and preserve that look going forward. So now it'll be protected and a lot easier to clean when you're washing your car at home, and protected against the elements. And take a look at the door jambs. Really clean, and these are coated. Door jambs get a lot of abuse just from daily driving, especially here in the Midwest. A lot of snow and dirt and rain salt. It all collects in the door jambs. That'll help repel those contaminants and make it easier to clean. And moving on to the interior, I did quickly detail it. Just remove any dirt, any dust or fingerprints to add to that wow factor while my client picks up their car. Love this red leather combination with this BMW i4 M50. This BMW i4 M50 is all done. It's ceramic coated and now it's protected for 5 years with that Gtechniq combination of crystal serum light and XLV5. The wheels look great. The headlights and taillights are coated as well, so you don't have to worry about these plastics fading anytime soon. Headlights get really cloudy due to those UV rays from the sun. The ceramic coating will protect against that as well. So again, this BMW i4 M50 looks fantastic. It came out great. Let me know what you thought of the video. This is David from Southside Detail. Like and subscribe.